Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have completed till this question. Now, we will be doing cross multiplication method. This is a condition. This has taken this elimination method. They have considered the cost of 5 oranges and 3 apples is 35. The cost of 2 oranges and 4 apples 28. Let's just find the cost of an orange and an apple. So this is by elimination method. They have considered this thing that if we multiply this by this and this and this will be cancelled, and this is this. So this is this here, and if you want to direct go to question, so it is given that a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 from a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. So the case is like this. So what is this is I have told you the value of this is this, and you can directly write this thing. So that is example number 14. So from example number 14, this is from a bus stand in Bangalore. If we buy 2 tickets to Malleswaram, first we need to write the formula. What was the formula? The formula was x by this the equation. First write the equation. What was the equation? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. The second equation was a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So for this thing, the value of x was given to be x by, what is x by? That is b1 and c1, the combination of b1 and c1. So it was like b1 c1 b2 c2. So b2 c1. So b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equal to minus of y by, what was this? And it was like a1 and c1 combination. So this is a2 c1 minus e1 c2 is equal to 1 by, what is 1 by? So here c part will be gone, and a1 a2 b1 b2. So a2 b1 minus a1 b2. This is a formula to remember how to calculate directly by seeing an equation. So this is your formula, main formula. So from bus stand Bangalore, if we buy 2 tickets to Malleswaram and 3 tickets for Yeshwanthpur, the total cost is rupees 46. So I'm directly doing this. So let the cost per the cost of one ticket to to Malleswaram be rupees X, and cost of one ticket to, what is Yeshwanthpuram be rupees Y. So as per condition given in the question, so what was the condition? The condition is that if we buy 2 tickets of Malleswaram, that is 2 tickets of Malleswaram will be this is 2 tickets of Malleswaram, this is 2 into x. X is cost of 1 ticket to Malleswaram, the 2 tickets is buy for Malleswaram, 3 tickets for Yeshwanthpur, there is 3 tickets of Malleswaram, there is 3 into y, nothing but rupees. It costs rupees 46 in total. 46 in total. You do not try take it as one. I'm yet to get it when one, so I'm directly writing here. You write in next step, that is 2x plus 3y minus 46 equal to 0. Now this is my first equation. Now this I'm writing as first equation because I need to write it as a in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is my first equation. Now from what is second equation is there. If you buy 3 tickets to Malleswaram, it is if I buy 3 tickets to Malleswaram, that's 3 into x plus, and if I buy 5 tickets to Yeshwanthpur, it's got me 74. 74. 5 tickets to Malleswaram. Oh, sorry, Yeshwanthpuram. Yeshwanthpur is 5 tickets, 74. Now if you write this form, standard form, that is this. This is my second equation. Now you, as per your formula, you can directly write it as that is a1 here is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 46, and a2 is 3, b2 is 5, and c2 is minus 74. Minus 74. As far as again formula, that is x by x by b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equal to y by a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equal to, this is minus y, and 1 by, this is a2 b1 minus a1 b2. So let's put this value, what is become this value. So this is x by b2 c1, that is b2 is 5 into c1 is 5 into minus 46 minus what is b1, b1 is 3, 3 into c2, what is c2, c2 is minus 74, 4 equal to minus y by what is a2, a2 is 3, 3 into minus 46 minus a1, what is a1 is 2 into minus 74 equal to 1 by what is a2, a2 is 2, 3, 3 into b1, what is b1 is 3, 3, that's 3 into 3 minus what is this a1 b2, a1 is 2, b2 is 5. So if you calculate this further, it becomes, which implies x by what is, to expand this is 30, 520, 123, 230 plus minus into minus plus, so minus this 7, 4, 3 at 12, 7, 4, 3 at 12, 722 equal to minus y by, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus 6 plus 12 is 18, 4, 3 at 12 13, so this is 18 equal to 38. So minus minus they get plus, so this is plus 7 4 to the 8, 7 to the 14, 148 is equal to nothing but 9 minus 10. So which implies that this is nothing but x by minus, this is 8, minus 8 equal to, this is already minus y by 148 minus 130 is 10 equal to 1 by minus 1. Not taking any two equations at a time, now first I take this and this and this I'm taking first, so which implies that x by minus 8 equal to 1 by minus 1, which implies the value of x here is 8. Now I am taking the second, is I'm taking this and this. You cannot take this and this, because this is variable x and y and you will not be able to solve this. Or if you get the value of 1, you can calculate the value of other, but it is easy to get from this constant and one variable. So minus y by 10 equal to 1 by minus 1, which implies that value of y is 10. So that value of x is 8 and that value of y is 10. That is the cost of per ticket to Malleswaram. Cost of one ticket to Malleswaram is rupees 8, and cost of one ticket to Yeshwanthpur is rupees 10 from Bangalore. 8 and 10. So if you see this will also be getting 8 and 10. So this is 8 and 10. 8 and rupees 10. Now next is for which values of p does the pair of equation below has a unique solution? Unique solution. So what is unique solution? I've also told you many times that example 15, that for two equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, to have unique solution, then a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. Now if you consider these two equations, that is 4x plus 5, 4p8 and 222. So 4p8 222 x plus y equal to x plus y equal to. So if you just consider this equation, this is not exact equation, but if you still write 4x plus py minus 8 equal to 0 as 1 and 2x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 is 2, then from here what is a1 by a2, that is a1 by a2 nothing but 4 by 2 equal to 2, and v1 by b2 is nothing but p by 2, p by 2. And as per condition, as per this condition, uh, that is, so 2, that is a1 by a2 should not be equal to p by 2, which implies that p should not be equal to 4. And any value other than 4 is a value of p. Any value other than 4 is value of p. So here is going to also, for all values of p except for the pair of equation has a unique solution. Now here, for what values of k will the pair of equation have infinitely many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. So which exercises example 16. So as per example 16. Example 16. So for two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, to have infinite many solutions. Don't write infinite like this, you need to write infinite infinite in exam. Many solution, then a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. Now what is the, it is given the question that this is k3 minus k plus 3, that is k3 minus k plus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 equal to 0. This is my equation number 1. This is kx plus 3y minus equal to 1, and the other equation will be 12k minus k, 12 12k minus k equal to 0. Yeah. Now if you put the formula values of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, it is like, what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 equal to k by 12. What is b1 by b2? Is 3 by k. What is c1 by c2? That is minus k minus 3 by minus k is nothing but k minus 3 by k. So these all must be equal, which implies that from, I am taking this to be alpha, beta, and let's say this is gamma. So from alpha and beta, this k by 12 should be equal to, and this condition I'm writing this to be delta. and delta is 3 by k, which implies that this is here is k square equal to 12 into 3, 36, which implies value of k is nothing but plus minus under 36, k nothing but plus minus 6. It's plus minus 6. But this is not the correct, this may not be the correct answer. You have to find other values of k from other equations also. Now if I am taking this beta and gamma, so from beta, gamma and delta equation, it is 3 by k should be equal to k minus 3 by k. So from here this is cross multiply this 3k equal to k square minus 3k, and from here this is k square minus 6k equal to 0. That k into k minus 6 equal to 0, like either k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. So I am taking this to be suppose this is to be I am taking 1 2. So this is my 3, this is my 4, and the last still left, that is alpha delta and alpha gamma and delta. Now from equation, that is from equation alpha gamma and delta, what you did get that alpha is k by 12 and k minus 3, so k by 12 equal to k minus 3 by k. So this is k minus 3 by k, which implies that from here if you cross multiply this and this, so this becomes k square equal to 12k minus 12 to 12 is 36. From here, which implies that k square minus 12k plus 36 equal to 0. And you know that from quadratic equation, you have studied quadratic equation, how will you find the value of k? So value of k can directly be found from using k equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So from here the value of b is to minus 12, so this is from plus 12 plus minus under root 12 to the 144 minus 4 into 36 by 2 into 1, and this is 1 only. C a is 1 and this is, so if you expand this 36 into 4 is 144 only. So this will nothing become 12 plus minus under root of 0 by 2, nothing but 6, k equal to 6. So there are so for here k equal to 6. Now if you see that if you take this to 4, not 4, that 5 is it. If I take it to 5, then from 3, 4 and 5, 1, 3 and 4 and 5, this is k equal to plus minus 6, k equal to 0 and 6, and k equal to 6. So if you take all three of common, then you will get that value of k is 6 only. 6. That is for value of 6, k equal to 6, this is valid. Now if you check this thing, this k equal to this, therefore the value of k for this both set conditions satisfied, k equal to 6 only. So thus the pair of the equation will have infinitely many solutions, then the value of k is 6. This is your answer. Now it is high time to get into the exercise. Say 3.5. How long it is? Okay. 3.5 and the question. So 3.5 question number 1. I will not be doing all the question because it will be similar. I am doing some tricky one and questions here. The class exercise 3.5 question number 1, and what part I need to do is I will do question number 1 and question number 4. So question number first part and fourth part. First part is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, and then x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. This I will taking my first, and second I will taking 3x minus 9y minus 12. 3x minus 9y minus 12 equal to 0. My second part. Which following equation has a unique solution? No solution. This in case of a unique solution, find these three. So first you need to check, that is a1 by a2. So this a1 by a2 is 1 by 3 here, b1 by b2 is minus 3 by minus 9, nothing but 1 by 3, and C1 by C2 is nothing but minus 3 by minus 12 is nothing but 1 by 4. So here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, which implies that no solution exists. No solution exists for this type of equation. And no solution, there is no solution. Now first and fourth answer. Fourth is x 1 minus 3 minus 7. So fourth is 1 minus 3 minus 7. So 1 minus 3 minus 7. This is my first equation. Now second is 1 minus 3 minus 7. 3 minus 3 minus 15. 3 minus 3 minus 15 equal to 0 is my second equation. So if you subtract this 2, not subtract the 2, I need 2. So if you check this, that is a1 by a2 is nothing but 1 by, this is coefficient of x is 1 and this is 3, so 1 by 3. Check this coefficient of a, this is b1 by b2, so b1 by b2 is nothing but minus 3 by minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 2 1, so it is 1, and for c1 by c2 is nothing but minus 7 by minus 15 is nothing but 7 by 15. So here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which implies a unique solution exists for this equation. Unique solution exists for the pair of equation. Hence, you need to find the value of values of x and y for this equation. So first we need to write the formula. What is the formula? Remember, see, for x the coefficient this formula is x. You forgot a1 and a2. G, this is a1, a2, b1, b2. This equation I am writing only c1, c2. So for this is x for x, this is for y, and this is for constant. You take 1 and you take minus here. So for x you forgot this, bro. Forget this. So this is, and you multiply first this and then this. So b2 c1. Now you are taking this, so this is minus b1 c2 equal to this. This is minus y. Now forget this. Forget this line. Now if this one you are doing for minus y, you need to forget this. You forget this. This is a2c1. That is a2c1. Oh, sorry. a2c1 minus, and then a1c2. a1c2 minus sign, minus y will be there above. This is 1 by, this is 1. Now you need to forget this. Sorry. You need to forget this. Now you need to forget this. So this is a2. Every time you need to start from here and go to up. So a2 b1. This is a2. Sorry, not right. Not to write from this. So a2 c1 minus a1 c2. So this is simple. Now what you need to write is, see, the formula. This is 1 c b2 c1. If you substitute the value of b2 here, c1 here, b1 here, c2 here, a2 here, c1 here, a1 here, c2 here, a2 here, c1 here, a1 here, this, you will and use one equation at a time. That is first this, then if you will get the value of x, and after that you choose this equation and this equation, and from this you get the value of y. So for x and y you get the answer. Now this is fourth equation. Which equation I am doing? I know fourth equation I was doing. Now let us solve for this only. That is 1 minus 3 minus 7. 1 minus 3 minus 7, and it is 3 minus 3 minus 15. 3 minus 3 minus 15. So if we substitute the values of this, that is x by x by, take this x by b2 c1, b2 c1, b2 into c1 minus b1 minus b1 into c2 15, nothing but minus of y by a2 c1, a2 c1, a2 c1, 3 into minus 7 minus a1 c2, that is 1 into minus 15, so nothing but 1 by a2 c1, sorry, a2, so this is b1, sorry, a2 b1, this is a2 b1, this is 3 into minus 3 minus of a1 c2, a1 b2 into minus 3. So this is nothing but 7 3 minus 7 candle. This is x by 21. This is minus till there have 45 equal to minus y by 17 minus 21. This becomes plus and this is plus 15. Nothing but 1 by minus 9 and plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3. So this will in turn to be, say, 21 minus this is minus 24. Nothing but minus y by 6 minus 6 equal to 1 by minus 6. So if you take this two equation, so this will become x by minus 24 equal to 1 by minus 6, which implies that x value of x is nothing but 6 for 24. X is 4. Now if you take these two values, these two, sorry, not these two, we need to figure out y. If you take this two value, so this is nothing but minus y by minus 6 equal to 1 by minus 6, which implies that y equal to minus 1. So x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1 is the solution. Now next, second question. For which values of a and b the following linear equations have an infinite solution? First part, one little k, this will be this. Now this k you have already, this I have already solved in the example, so I will be taking question number second, first part. Question number second first. Okay, second first part. Okay, I will be taking both part because I don't need to apply this formula. I will be taking the both part. So question number 2, question part number 1 is 2 3 2 3 7 2 3 equals 7, which implies that 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. It may fall, because why I'm writing minus 7 here, because it is of the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now next is a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b equal 3a plus b minus 2, which implies that this is nothing but a minus b x plus a plus b y minus 3a plus b minus 2 0. This is my second equation. So what is a1 by a2? This is from here, this is 2 by a minus b, 2 by a minus b. Now second, what is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 is 3 by a plus b, 3 by a plus b. Now what is c1 by c2? Think what? This is minus 7 by minus this, so minus 7 by minus 3a plus b minus 2 in bracket. This minus is cancelled. This is ultimately becomes 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So what is this saying? That to have an infinite number of solution, this means infinite, then as per condition you know that a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should always be equal to c1 by c2. From, so see, from I'm writing this to be as if I alpha decide to be beta, this to be gamma, then from alpha beta equation, what you get that is 2 by a minus b equal to 3 by a plus b. From here we will get that 2a cos 2a plus 2b equal to 3a minus 3b. So from here what you get that is a minus 5b equal to 0. This is, I'm taking this is to be 3. Now using from beta delta gamma, so from beta gamma what we get 3 by a plus b, nothing but 7 by so by 3a plus b minus 2. Now if you cross multiply this is 9a plus 3b minus 6 equal to 7a plus 7b is nothing but is 2a minus 4b minus 6 equal to 0. So my fourth equation. Now once more is left, that is alpha and gamma. So from alpha and gamma, what is alpha? Alpha is 2 by a minus b. What is this? Is this 7 by 3a plus b minus 2 by minus 2. If you cross multiply this becomes 6a plus 2b minus 4 equal to 7a minus 7b. You take here and here, so we do a minus 5b plus 4 equal to 0. This is my fifth equation. Now from third and fifth, directly subtract this two value, you get that you get that 4 minus 4 is 0. Not possible. Not possible. Now from 3 and 4, what you get that you get some relation. What this relation is? See, this is that is this is that a minus 5b equal to 0, 2a minus 4b equal to, you say that say minus 6, 4b equal to minus 6b. So if you multiply first equation by 2, because it's not written which method to use, so this is 2a minus 10b equal to 0, and for this is 2a minus 4b equal to 6. So if you subtract this 2, this is a minus, this is plus, again minus, this is becomes 0 to minus 10a plus 4b is minus 6b equal to minus 6, which implies that b equal to 1. Now if you put b of equal to 1 here, which implies you get that value a equal to 5b, and the b a equal to 5, a equal to 5 and b equal to 1. Now you have done 3 and 5, we have done 3 and 4, now it becomes 4 and 5. So using 4 and 5, 2a minus 4b minus 6, that is minus 6, 2a minus 4b minus 6 equal to 6 equal to 6, and A minus 5b plus 4. A minus 5b equal to minus 4. A minus 5b equal to minus 4. If you just two get that divided directly, so you can even write a minus 2b equal to 3, and here a minus 5b equal to minus 4. Now if you subtract these two equations, this becomes a minus a equal to 0. This is minus 2b plus 5b, this is 3b equal to 3 plus 4, that is 7. So b is 7 by 3 from here, and if you put 7 by 3 here, so a minus 2 into 7 by 3 equal to 3. Well, nothing but a equal to 3 plus 14 by 3, a equal to 9 plus 14 by 3, a equal to 23 by 3. 3. So the pair of values of a and b are, that is a equal to 5, b equal to 1, from that is from here this and this, or this and this. True. Now next question. What is next question? It is for which value okay the pair of linear equation will have no solution. So the equation is 3x plus what, y equal to 1 and 2k minus 1, k minus 1, 2k minus 1. You can even write minus 1 equal to 0. This is my first equation. 2k minus 1, k minus 1, y minus 2k minus 1 equal to 0 is my second equation. Now for to have no solution, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 should not be equal to c1 by c2. So what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2, from here you can see that a1 by a2 is 3 by 2k minus 1 should be equal to b1 by b2. b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1. Now if you cross multiply this and this, what becomes that 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. From here value of k is 2. Value of k is 2. Now since you get the value of k is 2, but you need to still check that a1 by a2 should not be equal to c1, or b1 by a2 should not be equal to c1 by c2. So what is c1 by c2? So if you take I'm taking b1 by b2, b1 by b2 should not be equal to c1 by c2, which implies that what is b1? b1 is this 1 by k minus 1 should not be equal to what is c? C is minus 1 by minus 2k minus 1. This is this. Now if you expand this, if you cross multiply here and here, this is 2k minus 1 should not be equal to k minus 1. So which implies that this is k should not be equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Should not be equal to 0. Okay, here also k is not equal to 2, but here k should not be equal to 0. So that's good enough. Now third, this is a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 3 by 2k minus 1 should not be equal to 1 by 2k minus 1. So this is nothing but 2k minus 1 should not be equal to 0, or k should not be equal to half. So the k value should not be equal to 0, neither 0 nor half. And what we are getting is that value of k is 2. So the value of k is equal to 2 is my answer. Now third is said that solve the following parallel by substitution and cross multiplication method. Substitution I have done 100 times. So I will not be doing the substitution method, only cross multiplication method in this exercise. So and see, both will must give the same result. If this is an asking question, this both of these must give the same result because they are the, what we are getting from these both to the value of x and y for the solution of this pair of linear equation, which must be same because they intersect, or they have get from this we get the solution from both the method as same. So what we will 859,324. It is 859,324. So from here what you get 8x minus 5y, all we convert into standard equation 0, which implies that this is 3x plus 2y minus 0. Now if I substitute like that, a1 b1, this is c1, and this is a2 b2 c2. So if I want to get the value of x, nothing but we know that for x, b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equal to y, this is minus of y by this is b will be gone, then a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equal to 1 by c is gone, so a2 b1 minus a1 b2. We substitute the value of x, the value of b1 b2 a1 a2 c1 c2, so that is b2 c1 b2 c1, that is 2 into minus 9, 2 into minus 9 minus of b1 is minus 5 into c2 is minus 4 equal to minus of y by what is a2, a2 is 3, 3 into c1, c1 is minus 9 minus a1, a1 is 8 into c2 is minus 4 equal to 1 by, see this is minus sign here, here this is minus sign, never forget. And so this is a2 b1, a2 is 3 and b1 is minus 5 and minus a2, what is minus a1, a1 is 8, so 8 into b2, 8 into b2 is 2. So if you consider this and you solve this, this is nothing but x by, let me write different pen, x by 9 to the minus 18, this is minus plus and this minus minus 5 for 20 equal to minus y by 9 to the minus 27, this plus plus minus plus equal to 24, nothing but 1 by minus 15 minus of 16, so this will x by minus 38 equal to minus y by, this is minus 3 equal to 1 by minus 31. If you solve this, I'm doing the same right thing. Oh sorry, this is plus 5, oh my god, it's plus 5, oh my god, d1 this is plus 5, oh, this will become plus, well this is plus 5, this is plus, this will become plus, this will become plus, then this will not be the same, this will not be same, so this will, you can, this is minus and plus, this is 2 and this is minus 1, so if you take this 2, what you get, that x equal is by 2 equal to minus 1, which implies that x equal to minus 2, minus 2, and from here in from this 2, that is y by 3 minus and minus get cancelled equal to minus 1, which implies that y equal to minus 3, so x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 3 the answer. So this was I have completed this part of value of the you have converted value of 2 and 3, so this question number 3 is get done. Now question number 4, What a pair of linear equation the following problem and they find a solution if they exist by an any algebraic method. So this is given that in any algebraic method you can find the value of this. So first part of question number 4. Question number 4, first part. The 4th first part. Question number 4, first part. What does it say? The hostel and something. Part of monthly hostel is fixed and remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Student A takes a food for 20 days. She pays 100,000 rupees. The hostel charge, whereas student B who takes 26 days, it is this. Find the fixed cost of the food per day. So let the fixed charge be rupees X and cost of meal per day be rupee Y, and as per condition, so as per condition given in the question, it says that student A takes food for 20 days. So there is fixed charge, that is fixed charge will be X plus 20 days. For 20 days food will be 20Y. She has to pay rupee 1000. I take it as 1. Now for second, whereas B who takes 26 days food is, so B has taken 26 days food, so fixed charge will be X only. So if paid rupee 1180. Now if you subtract the two equation, you can see that X and X get cancelled, become 0. Then 20 minus 26 is minus of 6, and this, if you take minus, is minus 180, which implies that Y equal to nothing but minus 180 by this is minus 180 by minus 6 is nothing but 6 is 18, 30. Y equal to 30. If you put this Y equal to 30 in another equation putting equation number 1, which implies that X plus 20 into 30 equal to 1000. So X equal to 1000 minus, oh my god, 1000 minus 600, 600 X equal to 400. So the fixed charge of is rupees 400 and the cost of meal per day is rupees 30. This is 400 and rupees 400 and rupees 450 and rupees 30 is the answer. So a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when the 8 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. Second part. What is the second part? I'm doing second part. The second part says that a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted. So let the fraction be X by Y. So as per given conditions, so what are the conditions? That if become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator, it becomes 1 by 3. 1 is subtracted from numerator, it becomes 1 by 3, which implies that 3x equal cos multiply minus 3 equal to y, which implies that 3x minus y equal to 3. This is my first equation, and from how I will get second equation by second condition, and become 1 by 4 when 8 is added to denominator. When 8 is added to denominator, it becomes 1 by 4. So cross multiplying this will become 4x equal to y plus 8, which implies that 4x minus y equal to 8. So my second equation. Now I subtract equation 1 and 2. You can see that on why I'm directly subtracting, I'm seeing that certain things remain constant. If I subtract it 2, this become 3x minus y equal to 3, and 4x minus y equal to 8. I'm subtracting these two equations. This plus become minus, this will minus become plus, this plus become minus. So 3 minus 4x minus x, this becomes 0, and this becomes 3 minus 8 is become minus 5, which implies the value of x is 5. The value of x is 5. So I'm substituting in this solution, this equation, which implies that 3 into 5 minus y equal to 3, which implies that y equal to 15 minus 3, nothing but 12. Y equal to 12. So equal to 5 and y equal to 12 is the answer. So 5 and y equal to answer. So the ratio becomes 5 by 12. This is 5 by 12 is your answer. Next question. What in the question says that third part. Yash scored 40 marks in a test. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks were awarded for each wrong answer, Yash would have how many questions were there in the test? So, which part was this? Is third part. So, third part. So let number of corrected answer be x and number of wrong answers be y for which, what was the name of this, is for Yash. So as per given conditions, what are the given conditions? That he got 40 marks if each right answer is 3 marks and losing 1 mark for this. So for every 3 marks you get for correct answer is x, so 3x minus of see, you need to this is minus 1, you get minus 1 for each every wrong answer. Wrong answer is y, so minus 1, and you total it was given that he scored 40 marks. 40 marks. So, and had the 4 marks awarded for this and 2 marks deducted, the marks would have been 50. So had it been 4x minus 2y, it would have been 50 marks. Let's suppose this is my first equation, this is my second equation. Now you can directly see that this is minus 1 and this 2. Now still I need to multiply the first equation by 2 and subtracting the two equations, so which implies that I can rewrite is that this is 6x plus, sorry, 6x, this is minus 2y equal to 80, and this is 4x minus 2y equal to 50. So 80, this is 50, and if you subtract this minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus, so this becomes 0. 6 minus 4 is 2x, and 80 minus 50 is 30, which implies that x equal to 30 by 2, which is nothing but 15. X equal to 15. If you put x equal to 15, equation number 1, what you get is 3 into 15 minus y equal to 40. Imply y nothing but 45. 45 minus 40, which means y equal to 5. So the total number of questions in the paper is, that is 15 plus 5. This is 15 and this is 5. Hence 20 questions are there in the paper. Total questions 20, which is my answer. Now fourth question. Places A and B are 100 kilometers on a highway. Okay, one car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. Travel in the same direction at different speeds. They meet in 5 hours. If they travel to each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars? So fourth, this is a good question. You need to analyze this. Fourth. For this type of question, on the draw a diagram. Necessary to draw a diagram. No, first I not diagram. I first write. Let's so you need to calculate so net speed of A B X km ph kilometer per hour and speed of B B Y kilometer per hour per hour. So diagram number one. Diagram number one for as per condition. Diagram number one says that this A and B are on a 100-meter highway. Kilometer highway. So if A is one start from A and the start from B at same time, they travel in same direction at different speed. They meet in 5 hours. So let us assume that is travel this in this travel in this direction. They meet in time that is 5 hours. So they meet in 5 hours. So the net speed, that is the speed of this is x and this is I have taken as y, so the net speed of AB will be x minus y. So this is speed. Once is this speed you need to cover till 100 kilometers, so into 100 equal sorry, this is a speed, so you need to calculate time. So time is nothing but c, this is x, this is y, so the net will be x minus y. Speed will be x minus y, and if you 100 is divided, this 100 converted with this speed divided by this is equal to 5 hours. 5 hours, which implies that, so directly do this 5 to 20, which implies that x minus y equal to 20 is my first equation. is my first equation. Now second, what is he saying second? Let me draw it the different diagram. So second is saying that A and B are different. A and B are at different places. A and B, they are covering or they are moving in different directions. And then meeting. The main thing is that meeting. If they are not meeting, I will take it at this direction and this direction. They will never meet. So the only case they will meet is that if A and B travel towards each other. And this is 100 kilometers. And the speed is you know that speed is x and y. So here the speed will add because they will meet faster. And it was given the question that they will meet in 1 hour. I think they will meet in 1 hour. Na? They will meet in 1 hour. They will become speed is faster. So the net speed will be x plus y. Net speed will be x plus y. So as per this, if 100 is divided by x plus y, the speed is time is going to be 1 hour. Time is going to be 1 hour. Which implies that if we solve this, that is x plus y equal to 100. Is the second equation. Now equation number one, if you just add these two equations, this and this, add these two equations, this becomes x plus y equal to 20, sorry, x minus y equal to 20, y equal to 20, and x plus y equal to 100. And you need to add these two. You need to add this 2, so this adding should be 0, and this x plus x is 2x, and 2 plus 20 plus 100 is 120, which implies x value of x is 120 by 2, nothing was 60. That was 60. Now if we put this value of 60 here, which implies that x plus y equal to 100, which implies that 60 plus y equal to 100, which implies that y equal to 100 minus 60 is nothing but 40. So the speed of network is 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour, which is the answer. Now fifth, what is fifth? Say that the area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square units. Area is reduced if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increased by 67 square units. Find dimension of the rectangle. Find dimension of the rectangle. So it's not always that I will take x and y. You can also take L and B, but you need to take 2. So I am doing fifth equation. So this is my rectangle, original rectangle. Original rectangle. So let us I take is to be L, and this to be B. Length and breadth is this much, and this is a square unit. So I am taking L units and B units. So let length of rectangle be L units and breadth be B units. So which implies that area equal to L into B. Area equal to L into B. Now, as per conditions given in the question, implies that it is reduced by 9 if length is increased by 5, that is length is increased by 5 and breadth is length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 5 and this. So length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3 units. So the area will be reduced by 9 units, square units. So this is this. If you multiply this is LB minus 5B plus 3L minus 15 equal to LB minus 9. So you get LB and LB gets cancelled. You're not to fear. So this becomes 3L minus 5B equal to minus 9 plus 15 equal to 6. This is the first condition, or the first equation. Now for second equation, if length is increased by 3, it is if length is increased by 3 units and breadth be increased, if we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units and breadth is increased by 2 units, the area will increase by 67 square units, which implies if you open this is LB plus 3B plus 2L plus 6 equal to LB plus 67. Now if you see this becomes cancelled and this is 2L, this is not B, this is L. So 2L plus 3B equal to 67 minus 6, which is nothing but 61. This is one second equation. Now if you solve this second equation, you will solve these two equations, you will get the answer. Now multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2. Sorry, this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. And subtract the two equations. That is, first equation will become 6L minus 10B equal to 6 to the 12, and here this is 6L plus 9B equal to 183. So if you direct subtract this two equation, this will become minus 19B equal to minus 171. So if you this is B, value of B is minus 171 by minus 19, it's nothing but 9. Value of B is 9. Now substitute the value of B, this B in this B here in any of the two equation. That is, if you need to substitute the value of this, I suppose this is B here. So this is 2L plus 3B is 9 equal to 61. Then, which implies that 2L equal to 61 minus 27. This is nothing but, this is 4. This is 5 minus 2 3, 34. It is 2L equal to 34, which implies that L is equal to 34 by 2, nothing but 217. 17. So the length is 17 and breadth is 9. This is LB. So find dimension rectangle, that length is 17 and B is 9 units and 17 units and then 9 units. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. and this video, and next this 3.5 from 3.5 will complete in the next video. Thank you.